Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight Market Scenario by Saigal Seatrade. On May 3rd, the Asia-Pacific Panamax market freight rates were unchanged or slight rise. The Asia-Pacific Supramax market freight rates dropped. The Cape-size market witnessed continued improvement. The Pacific Handy-size market freight rates trended lower. Before we proceed with the rest of the updates, I would like to announce that the 10th Asia Dry Bulk Cargo Summit is here and will be attended by all the stakeholders of the dry bulk cargo industry from India and all across the world. Make sure to register today. Met coal imports from Russia jumped nearly threefold in the last three fiscals. Imports of metallurgical coal from Russia have spurted around threefold in the last 3 years to around 15.1 million tons in 2023 to 24, mainly due to lower prices, while the same from Australia have declined, according to a research firm. Russia's share in India's metallurgical coal imports of 73.2 million tons has risen to around 21% from around 8% in 2021 to 22, research firm Big Mint said in a statement. The import of metallurgical coal, which includes coking coal and pulverized coal injection from Russia, stood at 5.1 million tons, accounting for 8% of India's total imports of 65.6 million tons of the commodity in 2021 to 22. Private ports outpaced central peers in FY24, registered double-digit growth. India's private ports continued to outperform those owned by the central government in 2023 to 24, registering double-digit growth compared to 4.45% growth for major ports, according to the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways data. At 721 million tons, non-major ports saw their cargo increase by 11.18% year-on-year in the previous fiscal year. In contrast, major ports ended FY24 handled 818 million tons of goods. Major ports are those owned by the central government through the Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, while non-major ports are owned by state governments and private players. Indian steel exports to Europe hit a 5-year high in FY24 but ceded space in UAE, Vietnam to Chinese mills. India's steel exports to Europe hit a 5-year high in FY24 with outbound shipments hovering at 3.3 million tons, up 65% year-on-year and near doubling over a 5-year. However, the cheer is short-lived. The country has ceded space in the UAE, where exports hit a 5-year low, and also in Southeast Asia, as per reports of the Steel Ministry accessed by Business Line. Competition from Chinese exports have seriously dented Indian mills' prospects in UAE and Vietnam. Indian steel exports stood at 7.5 million tons, up 11% year-on-year, buoyed primarily by the rise in shipments to the EU. JSW Infrastructure plans 2,500 crore rupees capex for FY25. Private port operator JSW Infrastructure Limited plans to invest over 2,500 crore rupees in fiscal year 2025 to expand its cargo handling capacity, said Arun Maheshwari, Joint MD and CEO of the company, told Mint. By 2027, the company anticipates a 50% increase in capacity to 258 million tons with an investment of 14,000 crore rupees, said Maheshwari. With more approvals underway, once these are finalized, our investments for the current fiscal year will stand at more than 2,500 crore rupees, he said. We will continue growing the third-party customers and down the line 6 years would like to see their share in the total volumes at 50%. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already. And make sure to register for DryCon 2024 today.